Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Corvette. This two-door, two-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.